have here again Anjali Sandeep Chintaman from Chapadgaon High School, Chapadgaon. Today we are going to learn 10th standard English lesson, The Boy Who Broke the Bank. It is written by Ruskin Bond. At first we have to see the information about Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond was born in 1934. He is an Indian author of British descent. He lives with his adopted family in Landow, in Masurai, India. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. He got the Sahitya Academy Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. He was awarded Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan respectively in 1999 and 2014. Now we have to see the story, The Boy Who Broke the Bank. It has two characters, that was Nathu and Sitaram at first, and then we have to see other character. Now we have to read the two para. Nathu grumbled to himself as he swept the steps of the Pimple Nagar Bank owned by Seth Govindram. He used the small broom hurriedly and carelessly, and dust, after rising in cloud above his head, settled down again on the step. As Nathu was banging his pan against the dustbin, Sitaram, the washer's son, passed by. Now we have to at first meet with Nathu. Nathu was the sweeper boy who was working Seth Govindram's bank, and he was very annoyed, and his annoyance showed in his work. Why he was annoyed? He used a small broom hurriedly and carelessly. Carelessly he swept the steps of that bank, and because of carelessness, the dust after rising a cloud over his head steps down on the steps of that bank. As Nathu banging his pan against the dustbin, Sitaram, son of washerman, was passed by. Now we have to see in Marathi. Seth गोविंदराम यांच्या बँकेमध्ये सीताराम नावाचा एक मुलगा, नाथू नावाचा एक मुलगा काम करत होता, आणि तो स्वतःशीच काहीतरी एकदम कंटाळलेल्या अवस्थेमध्ये, क्रिटिकल ॲटिट्यूडमध्ये काय करत होता, काहीतरी भणभण करत होता. आणि तो जसं झाडत होता, इतकं निष्काळजीपणे झाडत होता की धूळ त्याच्या डोक्यावर उडून पुन्हा ती पायऱ्यांवर येऊन पडत होती. आणि त्याने ती डस्टबिन घेतली आणि ती जोरजोरात त्या बादलीवर, डस्टबिनच्या बादली सुपली घेतली आणि डस्टबिनच्या बादलीवर जोरजोरात आदळू लागला. आणि तेवढ्यातच सीताराम, जो धोब्याचा मुलगा होता, तो तिथनं जाऊ लागला. नाउ सी नेक्स्ट. Sitaram, on his delivery round, he had a bundle of freshly pressed cloth balanced on his head. Sitaram was balanced the cloth of bundle on his head. सीतारामने आत्ताच नुकतेच प्रेस केलेले कपडे त्याच्या काय केलं होतं, डोक्यावर बॅलन्स धरून तो चालला, म्हणजे हात न लावता बॅलन्स धरून तो चालला होता. Don't raise such dust, he called out to Nathu. Are you annoyed because they are still refusing to pay you an extra 2 rupees a month? का बरं तू असा वागतोय, अशी धुळका उडवतोय? अजूनही तू नाराज आहे का त्यांनी तुझा 2 रुपये पगार वाढवला नाही? I don't wish to talk about it. मला त्याच्याविषयी बोलायचंच नाही. Complained the sweeper boy. I haven't even received my regular pay. And this is the 20th month of the month. Who would think a bank would hold up a poor man's salary? As soon as I get my money, I am up. Not another week I work in his place. And Nathu banged the pan against the dustbin several times, just to emphasize his point and giving himself confidence. Now see what happened now. Sitaram and Nathu was talking to each other. They don't raise my salary, but they even not use me money or my regular salary from 28th month. And he said that who would think a bank would hold a poor salary? Do you think that bank would salary he would give it, but the bank Govindram Bank has done this with Nathu. I am off. As soon as I get my money, I am off. When I get my money, I have to leave this bank. I don't stay here. And Nathu banged the pan again the dustbin several times to emphasize his point and giving himself a confidence. Nathu wanted to giving him a confidence for himself. म्हणजे नाथूने काय केलेले बघा इथं. नाथू आणि सीताराम हे गप्पा मारत होते आणि गप्पा मारता मारता त्याच्या लक्षात आलं की 20 महिन्यापासून नाथूचा पगार दिला नाही. आणि नाथू म्हणतोय की कोण विचार कराल की एखाद्या गरीबाचा पगार एखादी एवढी मोठी बँक ठेवू शकेल. परंतु खरंच तसं झालेलं होतं. आणि नाथू म्हणतोय की जसा मला पैसा मिळेल तशी ह्या बँकेचं परत मी तोंडही पाहणार नाही. Well, I wish you luck, said Sitaram. Sitaram म्हटला ठीक आहे, best luck. I will keep a lookout for any job that might suit you. And he paddled barefoot along the road, the big bundle of clothes hiding most of his head and shoulder. ठीक है, well, I wish you luck, said Sitaram. I will keep a lookout any job that might suit you. A suitable job for you, I have to find it out. Then you have to leave it. And he walked heavily. Paddle means heavily by barefoot along the road. The bundle of clothes hiding most of his head and shoulder. मोठा बंडल त्याने डोक्यावर होता आणि त्यामुळे बरेचसे त्याचे खांदे, त्याचं डोकं हे पूर्ण कपड्याने झाकलं जायचं आणि एवढं जड होतं की त्याला चालताना सुद्धा त्याची पावलं जडवल्यासारखी होते. तो म्हणे मी तुला नोकरी शोधतो, तुला जी सूट होईल अशी नोकरी मी शोधतो. And the fourth home he visited, Sitaram heard the lady of the house mention that she was in the need of a sweeper. Tying his bundle together, he said, I know a sweeper boy who's looking for work. He can start from next month. He's with them just now, but they aren't giving him his pay and he wants to leave. आता सीताराम हा चौथ्या घरात गेलेला आहे. ही विजिटेड फोर्थ होम अँड ही हर्ड अ व्हॉइस फ्रॉम लेडी दॅट शी नीडेड अ स्वीपर बॉय अँड ही थॉट ऑफ नाथू अँड ही सेड दॅट फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट मंथ आय हॅव टू गिव्ह यू अ बॉय हु वॉज वर्किंग इन शेठ गोविंदराम्स बँक अँड बँक आरंट गिविंग हिम मनी और गिविंग हिम पे अँड सो ही वॉन्टेड टू लिव्ह. आता चौथ्या घरात गेल्यानंतर नाथूबद्दल सीतारामनी त्या बाईची चर्चा ऐकल्यानंतर तिला स्वीपर बॉय पाहिजे नसं तिला लक्षात आल्यानंतर नाथूची चर्चा त्याने तिला सांगितली की ह्या महिन्यामध्ये तो बँक सोडणार आहे, पुढच्या महिन्यापासून तो तुमच्याकडे येऊ शकतो कारण की बँकेने त्याला पैसे दिलेले नाहीत. इज दॅट सो, सेड मिसेस श्रीवास्तवा. वेल, टेल हिम टू कम अँड सी मी टुमॉरो. ठीक आहे, त्याला बोलून घेऊ द्या आणि आपण बोलूया त्याच्याशी. And Sitaram glad that he had been of service to both a customer and his friend. Hoisted his bag on his shoulder and went on his way. आता सीतारामला काय झालेले खूप आनंद झाला की कस्टमरची आपण सेवा केली आणि आपल्या मित्राचीही सेवा केली. मिसेस श्रीवास्तव had to do some shopping. She gave instruction to Aya about looking after the baby and told the cook not to be late with midday meal. Then she set out for Pimpalnagar marketplace to make customary tour of the cloth shop. Mrs. Srivastava had to do some shopping, so she give instruction to Aya and cook, and then she set out for Pimpalnagar market to take her customary tour with the cloth shop. कपड्यांच्या दुकानामध्ये कस्टमरी टूर करायची होती म्हणून तो तिथे गेला.